Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to walk you through how to adjust notifications for Google Tasks in a simple way that actually makes sense. Whether you want fewer alerts or you just want them at the right time, this full 2026 walkthrough will show you exactly what to change. So let's get started. All right, first thing, you need to open the settings for Google Tasks. If you're using Gmail or Google Calendar, you'll see the tasks icon on the right side. Just click it to open your task list. Now choose the task you want to adjust. Notifications in Google Tasks work on a per task basis, meaning each reminder has its own time and alert. So yeah, click on any task from your list to expand its details. Once the task is open, look for the reminder or the date and time option. This is where Google Tasks decides when to notify you. Click the date, then pick a new time. If you want the reminder earlier, set it to something like 10 in the morning, or adjust it to whatever fits your day. Google Tasks doesn't have multiple notification layers, but you can remove the alert by clearing the date and time entirely, or if you want to add a new alert, just re-enable the reminder by selecting a date and choosing a time again. It's pretty flexible, just depends on how you organize your schedule. Okay, one more important thing. If you use Google Calendar, your Google Tasks reminders also show up there. So if you're not receiving notifications on your phone, it might be a calendar notification setting issue instead. Open Calendar, check notification permissions, and make sure alerts for reminders are turned on. And that's really all you need to adjust notifications for your Google Tasks. Once you set the reminder times the way you like, everything syncs across your devices automatically. If this helped, feel free to subscribe for more quick guides just like this, Tom. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.